Click on the link below to get price. The Generac Guardian 10 kW home standby generator with 100 amp transfer switch is a noteworthy addition to the category of home backup power solutions. Designed to provide peace of mind during power outages, this generator offers a robust performance that can help maintain essential household functions when the electricity goes out. At the core of the Generac Guardian's appeal is its automatic operation. This generator is equipped with a transfer switch that enables it to detect power outages and start up automatically, ensuring that your home receives power within seconds of an outage. Its 10 kilowatts capacity is generally sufficient for many households, capable of running essential appliances such as refrigerators, heating systems, and lights, while also handling additional loads for comfort and convenience. One of the notable features of this generator is its quiet test mode, which runs the generator at lower RPMs for a period of time to exercise the unit without producing excessive noise. This feature is particularly beneficial for those who are conscious of noise levels in their neighborhood, as it allows for routine maintenance checks without causing disturbance. The Generac Guardian also includes a durable, weather-resistant enclosure, which promotes longevity and reliable performance in various weather conditions. This aspect is crucial for homeowners who may live in regions where inclement weather is common. Furthermore, the generator operates on natural gas or liquid propane, providing flexibility depending on the available fuel type in your area. Installation of this generator is typically straightforward, especially when performed by a qualified technician. The included 100 amp transfer switch is designed to handle the load of most average-sized homes, facilitating a seamless transition of power. In terms of usage, the Generac Guardian stands out for its user-friendly interface. The LED indicators and control panel make it easy to monitor the generator's status and performance, providing valuable information at a glance. In summary, the Generac Guardian 10 kW home standby generator with 100 amp transfer switch presents a reliable option for homeowners seeking to mitigate the impact of power outages. With its automatic operation, quiet testing feature, and durable construction, it embodies the qualities of a dependable backup power solution. As you explore your options for home generators, this model may warrant consideration for its blend of functionality and homeowner-friendly design.